Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. May Allah keep you all safe and healthy. Ameen. I'm going to teach the lesson all is not lost means everything is not finished. Before teaching this chapter, I wanted to clear you that this unit is related to the profession of nursing and highlights the importance of nursing profession. But in our country, some people consider nursing as a low or less important profession. It is not being valued like some other professions. Through this story, we comes to know that sincere efforts and strong determination of a nurse saves a patient from a near crippling stage. Now let's start the lesson. I will briefly tell you about what is in this lesson. The nurse is telling about that recently she has joined the profession, and being a young nurse, she was energetic. It was her desire to save the world. She worked in ICU. ICU means intensive care unit, where the serious patients are kept and treated. She felt happiness for those patients who cured after serious illness. One day the nurse was standing near the Hira who received severe head and spinal injuries and thinking whether she could be cured or recovered as other patients. Because she was very serious, she did several exercises on her lifeless arms, but it was useless. The nurse asked her sister to come and to talk to Hira. She did so that because she was thinking perhaps the voice of near and dear one might activate the nearly dead neurons. Her fellow nurse came and said to her that she is just wasting her time for a hopeless case. According to the senior doctors, it was a hopeless case and she could not be recovered. She was sad after listening all these comments, but tried her best to make her patient recovered. The senior doctors asked her to attend the other patients. She was upset but she has to follow the instructions of the senior doctors. Due to her loyalty to her profession and kind-heartedness, she took permission from the senior doctors that she wanted to stay with the patient in ICU because she don't want to leave her unattended. Her request was conceded. Sometimes she thought about her patient, whether her decision was wrong or right, or will she be successful or not. She continued her efforts, and one day she observed that her patient lifted her one finger. This incident gave her much courage. But one day she was sent to Karachi for 3 months training. She did not want to leave the patient, but it was the part of her job and she went for the training. When she came back, she wanted to see her patient soon, but she has seen another patient on that bed. While standing near the bed, she was thinking about her patient. A girl pressed her shoulder smoothly and thanked her for everything which she did for her. For an instant, the nurse could not recognize her because she has seen her in machines and tubes around her body. It was her patient. Her family also thanked her for what she did for the patient. She was glad to see her patient recovered and thanked to Allah Almighty for giving her courage to win a lost battle. She developed good relation with her patient's family and felt happiness and felt more energetic. Her efforts and courage prove that if a person decided to do something and stuck on his decision, he or she can accomplish the difficult task also. So we learn from this chapter, if we are determined enough, we can find a way to achieve what we want, even it is very difficult.